Brighton and Hove Albion 2024 to 2025 new players market values for January transfer window. Manager Fabian Hürzeler. Age 31, date appointed 1st July 2024 and contract runs till 30th June 2027. Bart Verbruggen. Age 22, position goalkeeper, country Netherlands, new market value €22 million, and contract expires in 2028. Jason Steele, age 34, position goalkeeper, country England, new market value €3.5 million, and contract expires in 2026. Jan Paul Van Heck, age 24, position centre-back, country Netherlands, new market value €22 million, and contract expires in 2027. Iger, age 26, position centre-back, country Brazil, new market value €17 million, and contract expires in 2027. Adam Webster, age 29, position centre-back, country England, new market value €15 million, and contract expires in 2026. Lewis Dunk, age 32, position centre-back, country England, new market value €12 million, and contract expires in 2026. Ferdi Karalu, age 25, position left-back, country Turkey, new market value €30 million, and contract expires in 2028. Pervis Estupinan, age 26, position left-back, country Ecuador, new market value €30 million, and contract expires in 2027. Imari Samuels, age 21, position left-back, country England, new market value €100,000, and contract expires in 2025. Tariq Lampate, age 24, position right-back, country Ghana, new market value €12 million, and contract expires in 2025. Joel Weltman, age 32, position right-back, country Netherlands, new market value €8 million, and contract expires in 2025. Mats Wiefer, age 25, position defensive midfield, country Netherlands, new market value €30 million, and contract expires in 2029. Carlos Baleba, age 20, position defensive midfield, country Cameroon, new market value €22 million, and contract expires in 2028. Matt O'Reilly, age 23, position central midfield, country Denmark, new market value €20 million, and contract expires in 2029. Jack Hinshelwood, age 19, position central midfield, country England, new market value €20 million, and contract expires in 2028. Jakib Moda, age 25, position central midfield, country Poland, new market value €10 million, and contract expires in 2025. Yassine Ayri, age 21, position central midfield, country Sweden, new market value €4.5 million, and contract expires in 2027. James Milner, age 38, position central midfield, country England, new market value €1 million, and contract expires in 2025. Julio Enciso, age 20, position attacking midfield, country Paraguay, new market value €22 million, and contract expires in 2026. Koru Mitoma, age 27, position left winger, country Japan, new market value €45 million, and contract expires in 2027. Simon Adingara, age 22, position right winger, country Côte d'Ivoire, new market value €30 million, and contract expires in 2026. Yankuba Minteh, age 20, position right winger, country The Gambia, new market value €28 million, and contract expires in 2029. Brajan Gruda, age 20, position right winger, country Germany, new market value €25 million, and contract expires in 2028. Solly March, age 30, position right winger, country England, new market value €15 million, and contract expires in 2026. Joao Pedro, age 23, position centre forward, country Brazil, new market value 50 million euros, and contract expires in 2028. Evan Ferguson, age 20, position centre forward, country Ireland, new market value 45 million euros, and contract expires in 2029. Jorginho Rutta, age 22, position centre forward, country France, new market value 28 million euros, and contract expires in 2028. Danny Welbeck, age 33, position centre forward, country England, new market value 5 million euros, and contract expires in 2026. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.